Okay, now we're going to do a domain and range with second powered functions. Okay, so domain and range. Domain's a little different here. We all know that a second power, this is from like November, October, whenever I taught it. Second power functions are U-shapes. Okay, they're parabolas. Whenever we have a negative in front, it's going to be an upside down U. But you're going to have arrows on both sides. Now, on that last packet, your domain was restricted because you remember the stop point when we did square root graphs? Well, yeah, that's why you put it there, because it's restricted in only one direction. Well, here, it's in both directions. So the domain's easy. The domain, it can be anything. So if the domain, if you can put anything in for x, because I can put anything in for that x, and it's not going to be a domain error on the calculator, okay? There's no number that you put in for x that's going to give you a domain error. So you write all real numbers, okay? Now, the range is not all real numbers, okay? Because the range, there's a maximum point here, okay? And then all the other points get lower than that. So you're going to go y less than or equal when they all get lower. And then to find the number, you look at the number at the end that's being added or subtracted. You look for the adding or subtracting operation outside the second power, and you see 5. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, next problem, domain. Again, the x is to the second. Well, I can take any number to a power, okay? So that's all real numbers or values, whatever you want to put. The range is not all reals because this time you do not have a negative, so it's a right side up U, okay? Because there's a negative in front of the parentheses here. There's not one here, so it's going to go right side up. Now, on this one, all the x's get higher, okay, from this point, okay? They just go up. So this is greater than or equal than -7. Really pretty, quite simple, okay? Domain, again, now we have a negative, so it's going to be this direction. When the leading number is negative. So again, the arrows go in both directions, left and right. So the domain is all reals. There's no stop point. Okay, now the range, again, from there you just go down. So it's less than or equal to +3. Domain, range. Again, there's nothing I would plug in. I've never taken a number to the second power or any power and got a domain error. Okay, so the domain's all reals, like you do with those square roots. There's a reason that happens on the square roots. Now again, the range, that's a positive, so it's a right side up U. So from that point, you do nothing but go up. So y is greater than or equal to 2.